beautiful people. Welcome back to Healing Garden Remedies, your go-to place for natural remedies straight from your garden. Today, I'll be sharing an amazing natural remedy using guava leaves to help alleviate and cure piles. Guava leaves, especially in pregnant women. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips. Let's dive in together. First, let's talk about pile, commonly known as hemorrhoids, as the medical people calls it. They are swollen veins around the rectum and can be extremely uncomfortable in pregnant women. And the good news is, guava leaves are packed with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and salting properties that make them a fantastic natural remedy. Let me share how these leaves can be of a good game changer for you, the pregnant woman that is seeing me here. Before we jump into the remedies, let me quickly share my experience during one of my pregnancy. I struggled so much with pile. The discomfort was overwhelming until I remember the healing power of guava leaves. I started using this remedy and the relief was magical, and that's why I'm passionate about sharing the same with you, the pregnant woman that is seeing me now. I remember in one of my pregnancies, I went to, like 7 months old, I went to hospital. 7 months old, I had pile. The pain was just too severe. Then we went to hospital, myself and husband. When we got there, the doctor asked us to sit on hot water baths, to be doing hot water baths. I did that. I should make sure my bum touches the water. I did that for almost 1 week, 3 days, 1 week, and there was no changes. We went back to the hospital again. When we got back in the hospital, we were introduced to a senior colleague at the hospital. The senior colleague said, at this stage I'm here now, that is very sensitive. They can hardly give me any drug to take. That the same thing the younger doctor told me, the same thing I will go back home to do. But this time, I should make sure my bum touches the water very well, that it will relieve me. Then I remember the healing magic of guava leaf. Went back home, plugged like 10-12 leaves of guava leaf. Boil it for like 5-10 minutes. After I did that, I drink the water. I leave it to be cold, then drink the water. Leave it to be warm, then I drank the water. After taking the water, there was a magical change in my system. Then I was able to sleep, because since I've been experiencing it, there was no good sleep. But this time, I slept like a baby. Then I remembered again, instead of sitting naturally on water, that I should be sitting on the same water I'm drinking. I did that for like 3 days, 1 week. Everything, all the pains I've been experiencing disappeared. And that's why I'm sharing the healing power of guava leaf to you, my pregnant woman, sometimes that experience how to prepare the guava leaf tea. Get like 10 to 15 leaves. If you don't have it in your compound, you can sort for it around you. If you don't have it around you at all, the next place you can get it is in an herbal shop. Herbal people, they sell. Even when you don't have the fresh one, the dry one also will still do its work. Then you wash it thoroughly, wash the dust in it, wash the dates, make sure it is well washed. After you washed it thoroughly, then get like 3 to 4 cups of water. Pour in your pot, then put the leaves in it, let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the water, strain the mixture into a cup and let it be cool slightly. Drink this water, drink this tea twice daily. That is morning and evening. It helps reduce inflammation from the inside and improve digestion, which will cure your pile. Though during my own time, I drink a full cup a day, then sit on the water. Now for external application, guava leaf sit bath. Take a handful like this, handful guava leaf, and boil them into 5 liters of water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Pour the solution into a big bath, just like baby bath. Allow it to be cold to your normal temperature, the temperature that you will like. Sit in the water for 15 to 20 minutes. Be in the water like that for 15 to 20 minutes with your big belly. 15 to 20 minutes. The guava leaf work together to salt and shrink the swollen vein. Repeat this process for about 2 or 3 times in a day, and you will come back and thank me later. Here are a few tips to enhance the effectiveness of these guava remedies. Number 1, stay hydrated. Always drink water. Make sure water does not leave, or water does not go away from you. Always drink water, enough water throughout the day. Number 2, take fiber rich food to your diet to prevent constipation. Vegetables should not stay away from you. As you are eating rice, add veggies to it. Whatever you're eating, make sure you put in vegetables. Avoid sitting for too long as to worsen the pile. Don't sit for too long, especially for us that work in the office. Don't sit for too long. Once you sit for like 31 hours, stand up, take a stroll. Do not sit for too long. Also, this guava leaf works wonders in children. When you see your children having fever, just give them the water to drink and you'll see the drastic change in them. I hope you find these remedies as helpful as I did. Don't forget to try them out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Remember, sharing is caring, so share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay natural.